We had an issue up here with getting the lower radiator hose loose. Unfortunately, the clamp, which looks like the clamp on this large hose right here, is spun in a way that I cannot access it from the top. So that large plastic guard earlier that we were draining the fluid out of, we're going to go ahead and remove that. There are 6 12-millimeter bolts that look like that, and they are located in various locations up on the guard. Some of them are recessed, some of them are in the back. There's kind of 3 on each side scattered all about, so there's 6 total. So just kind of look for those and remove those and take this guard off, and that will allow us to access the underside, which we can get to that clamp if yours is spun like the one is on this vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and remove that and get that lower hose taken off. Once we get the lower hose taken off, we'll take it off right here. There may be some more fluid that might drain out of there, but we'll see. We're also going to replace the thermostat at some point during this process with a new one, just to ensure that it has a brand new thermostat, because a bad thermostat could cause radiator burst, and we don't want our new radiator having any issues like the old radiator.